Today we are going to make these absolutely delicious coconut clusters. They're easy, they're quick, and like I said, just absolutely delicious. Let's get to it.
For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of coconut, a cup of sugar, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Don't forget, in a little bit, we're also going to use chocolate to dip these coconut clusters in. I'm opting to use these Ghirardelli melts. I promised it was easy, you guys. All you do is mix all of your ingredients. Pour in the coconut, the sugar. I gave them a little stir just to incorporate them well. Add in your melted butter. Add in your sweetened condensed. Mix that all up, and then I let it sit in the fridge just to firm up and get to the right consistency. Okay, so you want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper, form the clusters, and place them in here to be put into the fridge. Once I rolled everything out, I put them back in the fridge just to let them firm up, melted my chocolate, dipped them, rolled them, make sure we didn't have any bald patches, and they were good to go. When I tell you guys, this is one of the best tasting desserts I've made in a long time, I mean it.
And that is it. That's the video. That's the dessert. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. A special thank you, as always, to my live chat crew. Live chat crew, I love you so much. All the information you need is going to be in the description box down below. But as always, please feel free to leave questions in the comment section. I love you all, and I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye.